Oh, this one's gonna be fun.
Right, you and your boys both always.
Just back. What is she doing?
33M. It's a Ford F-250.
Oh, it's 46.
I painted Chevy symbols over the Ford, so
Yeah,
we don't got no brakes. We just floor the fucker.
I got a whole bunch of big ones. Get them ready.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, we might take you up on a couple of potential victims next year.
Matt 46 is in a commanding lead right now. Cole Collins right there, the 722 Marsh out there. Brandon Marsh. Those are your two leaders looking like they're going to play the money game here in a little bit.
Not me in the camera. Yeah.
Like $1,000 is a brand new tires on it.
Oh, they're finding dry dirt. Oh, they're finding dry
I
dirt.
guess sometimes when cars stay for a whole year and then when you start them up once a year, they're gonna run like crap.
He's got a
Yeah, focus on. You're missing the jumps, woman.
I'm not missing anything. The phone is right there. You're just having a heart attack.
I am.
Had a 5.9 RT Durango.
Just hope if the lights would stop
Oh my
blurring.
god. Okay.
2 laps I killed there.
Cole Collins out there from Livermore still in charge on this one.
Oh yeah.
22 out there, Brandon Marsh from Humboldt.
Stop.
Are you sure? Thank you. It's going to be tough to reel them two in. They got clean lines out there. They're doing what they got to do. 2 in the books, and they're going to try to go to the money round.
Good job.
Line them back up. They got 1 lap to go. Line them back up. Let's go. Money race cars. You might as well start line them up. They're there.
Get his jump. He's not gonna jump. For it.
None of
Yay, race cats off the track. Ooh, yummy.
Cole Collins, all he's got to do is turn this corner and do a lefty around on the far east end, and he's going to go to
Get
the
it,
money
46,
round.
46.
Brandon Marsh looking to do the same, and he's going to the money round.
Marsh.
46 right there, and 722.
Sorry, that just don't work out. Oh, now he moves. What is that? Envoy? It's an envoy, yeah. Yeah.
Money race guys, let's line them up. The 181, the 199, the 46, the 104, the 24, and the 722.